Chapter Gravitation, the topic time period of a satellite. If the satellite is revolve around the planet, what is the time period of that satellite? Now if you consider the satellite is revolving around the planet, firstly we discuss the definition of time period of satellite. The satellite revolving around the planet, to complete one revolution is called period or time period of सॅटेलाइट. ज्यावेळेस एखादा सॅटेलाइट एखाद्या प्लॅनेट भोवती एक राऊंड पूर्ण करतो त्याला म्हणायचं पिरियड किंवा पिरियडिक टाइम. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, मून इज नॅचरल सॅटेलाइट ऑफ अर्थ. देन द मून रिव्हॉल्व अराउंड द अर्थ. द टाइम पिरियड ऑफ मून इज t is equal to 27.3 days. This is the time period of moon. चंद्र पृथ्वीभोवती एक फेरा मारतो. एक फेरा मारण्यासाठी लागणारा वेळ त्याला म्हणायचं पिरियड. उदाहरण आपण मूनचं घेतलं, चंद्राचं. चंद्र एक फेरा पूर्ण मारण्यासाठी त्याला 27.3 दिवस लागतात. तो झाला त्याचा पिरियड. पण अदर जे सॅटेलाइट आहे, आर्टिफिशियल सॅटेलाइट, त्यांचा पिरियड आपण कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करणार ते आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे. हे झाली डेफिनेशन की एखादा सॅटेलाइट अर्थ भोवती किंवा प्लॅनेट भोवती एक फेरा कंप्लीट करतो. एक फेरा कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी लागणारा वेळ त्याला आपण म्हणतो टाइम पिरियड ऑफ दॅट सॅटेलाइट. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द डेरिवेशन or expression of that time period. Let m be the mass of satellite, capital M mass of earth, capital R radius of earth, small r is equal to r plus h is radius of orbit of satellite, and Vc is the critical velocity or speed of satellite. We assume that the satellite is revolve around the earth or around the planet. Then the satellite is revolving around that planet with critical velocity or critical speed. Therefore, this critical velocity is equal to, this satellite is complete one revolution along the circumference of circle or circumference of orbit. Critical speed is nothing but circumference of orbit divided by period. If critical speed is Vc, ज्यावेळेस एखादा सॅटेलाइट, suppose this is the earth surface and yes, is satellite. The satellite is revolved around this orbit. Then the satellite is revolved. ज्यावेळेस हा सॅटेलाइट एक फेरा पूर्ण करेल त्याला आपण पिरियड असं म्हटलेलं आहे. आणि सॅटेलाइट जो ऑर्बिट मध्ये फिरतो त्याची जी व्हेलॉसिटी असते आपण त्याला क्रिटिकल व्हेलॉसिटी म्हणतो. मग क्रिटिकल व्हेलॉसिटी किती असते? हा एक फेरा सर्कम्फरन्स वरून पूर्ण करतो. तसं हे सर्कलच आहे, तर सर्कम्फरन्स पूर्ण करतो म्हणून आपण त्याला सर्कम्फरन्स ऑफ ऑर्बिट म्हटलंय आणि त्याचा पिरियड आपण टी घेणार आहोत. मग VC सर्कम्फरन्स ह्याची रेडियस आपण r घेतलेली, therefore 2 pi r is the circumference of orbit at the radius. Hence VC, that is critical speed or critical velocity, VC is equal to 2 pi r upon t. So equation number 1. Now we derive the critical velocity. VC is equal to under root gm upon r. So equation second. From these two equation we can write under root gm upon r is equal to 2 pi r upon t. Now squaring both sides, जर दोन्ही बाजूचा आपण वर्ग केला तर काय होईल? इकडला वर्गमूळ निघून जाईल. gm upon r is equal to ह्याचा वर्ग होईल 4 pi square r square divided by t square. Therefore we find out the period. Therefore rearrange the term, that is t square gm is equal to t square gm is equal to 4 pi square r cube. From this equation g m 4 pi r constant, hence t square is directly proportional to r cube. हे इक्वेशन मध्ये g means gravitational constant, m mass of earth, 4 pi gm 4 pi constant असेल तर this t square is directly proportional to r cube. Hence we can say that the square of period of satellite is directly proportional to cube of radius of orbit. Now we find out the values of t square. Therefore t square is equal to 4 pi square r cube divided by gm. Taking square root of both sides, वर्गमूळ जर काढलं तर काय होईल? t is equal to 4 pi r square वर्गमूळ 2 pi under root r cube upon gm. t is equal to 2 pi under root r cube upon gm. This equation is also called period of satellite. Now we have the gh is equal to gm upon r plus h bracket square. Therefore gm is equal to gh into bracket r plus h bracket square. When the satellite at height h, then gm, put this value in this equation, we get t is equal to 2 pi under root r cube divided by gh r plus h bracket square. But r is equal to r plus h, therefore t is equal to 2 pi under root r plus h cube divided by gh r plus h square. T is equal to 2 pi under root, this get cancelled, r plus h divided by gh. Then finally we get period T is equal to 2 pi under root R plus H divided by GH. This is the periodic time or time period of satellite. T is equal to 2 pi under root R plus H divided by GH, where R is radius of Earth, H height of satellite above the Earth's surface, GH the velocity acceleration due to gravity at height H. This is the final equation of periodic time. Now case first, if the satellite is very closed to Earth, जर सॅटेलाइट पृथ्वीच्या खूप जवळ असेल तर काय होईल, h is equal to 0 and gh is equal to g. Therefore t is equal to 2 pi under root r upon g. This is the period, or we say that minimum period of satellite when the satellite is very close to the surface of Earth. In that case, t is equal to pi under root r upon g. All these values, 2 pi is constant, r is constant, and g is also constant. Then we get, using this equation, we get the periodic time or minimum periodic time of satellite when satellite is very close to the Earth's surface. Also, we discussed another equation or definition of satellite, that is binding energy of an orbiting satellite. जसं आपण याच्या अगोदर पिरियडिक टाइम, क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी, एस्केप वेलोसिटी यांची व्याख्या पाहिली. सिमिलरली आपण आता व्हॉट इज मीन बाय बाइंडिंग एनर्जी आणि सॅटेलाइटची बाइंडिंग एनर्जी किती आहे ते जो आपण विचार करू. सुरुवातीला डेफिनेशन, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय बाइंडिंग एनर्जी. द बाइंडिंग एनर्जी इज नथिंग बट द मिनिमम एनर्जी ऑफ द सॅटेलाइट that satellite escape from the Earth gravitational field. That energy is called binding energy. If the satellite is revolving around the Earth, but the satellite require some energy, and that energy, if this energy is given to satellite, the satellite escape from the Earth gravitational field, and that energy is called binding energy. Now we discuss the equation of binding energy. Also there is M, mass of satellite, capital M, mass of Earth, small r is equal to r plus h, radius of orbit, h height of satellite above the surface of Earth, and r is the radius of Earth. Now we determine the total energy. We know that the total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So equation number 1. The total energy is nothing but kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now we find out the kinetic energy of satellite. 1/2 mv square, but satellite attain the critical velocity. Therefore, kinetic energy K is equal to 1/2 mvc square. But vc square is equal to gm upon r. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 m instead of vc square, gm upon r. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 G m upon r. Also, we find out potential energy. So potential energy is nothing but gravitational potential into mass of satellite. Potential energy is nothing but gravitational potential into potential energy, or therefore potential energy is equal to minus Gm upon r. This is the gravitational potential into mass small m, mass of satellite. Therefore potential energy is equal to minus Gm upon r. This is the potential energy. Now put the values of kinetic energy and potential energy in equation 1. We get total energy TE is equal to half Gm upon r plus into bracket minus Gm upon r. This is the value of potential energy and value of kinetic energy. Total energy TE is equal to half or Gm upon 2r plus minus Gm upon r. Gm upon r constant. Therefore, total energy TE is equal to Gm upon r into bracket half minus 1. Therefore, total energy TE is equal to Gm upon r into half minus 1. This is nothing but minus 1 half. Therefore, total energy TE is equal to minus Gm upon 2r. This is the total energy of satellite. This negative sign indicates that the satellite is bound in the gravitational field. Now require negative sign का येतं तर सॅटेलाइट ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फील्ड मध्ये आहे म्हणून निगेटिव्ह साइन आलं. मग बाइंडिंग एनर्जी म्हणजे काय असते की अशी एनर्जी की त्या सॅटेलाइटला ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फील्ड मधून बाहेर काढायची. मग हे निगेटिव्ह आहे म्हणजे वी रिक्वायर सेम पॉझिटिव्ह एनर्जी टू रिक्वायर that satellite when the satellite is escaped from that gravitational field, and that is called binding energy. Therefore, the binding energy PE is equal to plus Gm upon r. This is called the binding energy of orbiting satellite, where G means gravitational constant, M means mass of Earth, small m means radius of Earth, and small r means radius of